Also, before I forget, I want to thank everybody that stuck around in the month of July and waited for me to get the videos back up in August, because we are now at 599 subscribers. Thank you everybody for that. I think we gained 4 or 5 new subscribers. Here I am again. And where is he? There he is. Me and Booty are getting back down here to the garage so we can start working on the honey badger again, since it's finally not in the high 90s and the humidity making it feel like it's over 100. So I think it's like a high of 86 or something. So it's perfect time to get in the garage, start working on honey badger and getting this Turbo LS done, because we still have a lot to do. And I want to be able to race a little bit before the racing season's over. So let's get after it. Peace. All right, new steam ports are on because the ones I had in the middle won't work. Blocked off the back. Tightened all of the bell housing bolts to go around. Next is the intake, headers. We start doing a turbo on there. Alright, well, the intake manifold's on, bolted down. I guess the plenum, but also that's the plenum. So I guess the plenum base is done. They cut it, or they didn't cut it, I cut it, make it shorter, but that's on, that's bolted. Now time to put that on. And then the intake's done. Maybe put some headers on, get the hot side. That'd be nice. Let's go. Well, everything's bolted down and torqued down to what it needs to be. I was an idiot and didn't have my time lapse on. So there's no time lapse for putting it on, but the intake's on there, good to go. Let's go ahead and get the throttle body on. I don't know, maybe we'll throw the throttle cable on too. Let's do that. All right, finally got everything in and done. It's the Bosch 210 injectors. It's the EV6, but for some reason they said they wouldn't work, but they work just fine. They move back and forth like that, but everything's sealed up. Or maybe not. All right, well, I got everything on. Everything's good to go. I got the Bosch 210 injectors on there, the EV6. Those are all good to go. So, everything's good. Just hope when I ever put fuel into it, it doesn't leak. And also got the throttle body on there, the big 92. That's gonna be nice. Gonna tape up those ends so nothing can get in them. Might put the headers on, we'll see that. Let's go put the headers on. Okay, so I couldn't put the headers on because I thought the On3 kit came with header bolts, and it does not. So I need to go find that. So instead, I put the throttle positioning sensor on, the IAC sensor on, I got the throttle cable on, which comes up and over. It's just a roughly in there, but there it is. It's in, and I'll adjust it more when everything else gets done. So, and also I can't put anything in the front because Brandon, my engine builder, is putting in a bigger oil pump into that. So he's taking out that one, putting in the other one, so I'm not putting anything in front, but I do want to get the headers on, get that done. Then I'm gonna start plumbing it up, doing that all the way to the back, and then eventually I can start putting the suspension on. Just getting closer, just getting closer. And with that being said, I am done, and Buddha and I say peace.